Emotions run very high in traffic court. That is one of the main reasons that we always suggest that anyone charged with a traffic offense hire a lawyer to help them. There are many times when clients of ours or people that we see in court have major emotion involved in their case, and that is certainly okay and is understandable. However, whenever you go into court and you are angry and upset and you are struggling to deal with what happened to you, whether it's a ticket that you feel like should not have been written, or some problem that you have with the officer that wrote you the ticket, or something that happened on the side of the road, or after that, you definitely need to hire counsel to help you. It is great to have a buffer in between your personal emotion in the case and ultimately a finding of guilty or not guilty and any sentence that may be imposed. There are many times whenever we witness firsthand pro se defendants, and that's people that represent themselves, creating a mess out of their case because of anger or sadness or jealousy related to their case. And it doesn't have to be like that if you choose to hire an attorney to help you. And it also depends on what your goal is for your case. If your goal is to keep a conviction from appearing on your record and do everything you can to resolve your case in a way that benefits you most, whether by agreement or through the trial process, it is certainly better to have a advocate there with you in court to talk for you and to go through the process with you. Most of our clients sign documents allowing us to appear for them, and that creates a significant buffer as far as the emotion and the emotional side of the case goes. If a case is set for trial and we're going to actually have a trial on the case, then obviously the client appears with us, and in most circumstances, unless a trial is had and the client is planning to testify, usually will not have to say or do much of anything in court during that process. So it's important for you to understand that there are options out there and there are attorneys out there that will handle your case for you and that will appear and speak on your behalf. Many people out there are unaware that there are attorneys that do handle primarily traffic cases and can help you. Some more tips on how to act and dress in court would be always address the court as Your Honor or Judge. Always treat the prosecutor with respect, and same goes with the police officer. Now, what we are saying here is not that there are never times whenever things have to be said or done that are either stopping a process that has gotten out of control or cross-examination of an officer regarding the facts of a case. And sometimes those can get very heated. Those situations are not what I'm talking about. You can cross-examine someone, a police officer, a late witness, whoever it might be, and you can get the testimony out that you need without causing further harm to the case and possibly even costing a verdict. So it's important to understand that there are times whenever things must get heated, but those things have to be handled in the right way if the goal in the case is to get a great result for you as the client. There are other items that you should know about court as well. You should never dress in shorts or flip-flops or in any way that makes it look like you are headed to the beach. There are judges in the state that will hold you in contempt of court and you don't want that. You want the judge's impression of you to be favorable from the start. And those are just some of the practical items that must be looked at and thought about in any case, so that you are in the best position to resolve your case in a favorable manner. My name's Joseph Kreps. I'm an Alabama traffic violation defense attorney. All you have to do to begin the conversation with us about your case is call our office at 866-348-2889. You can also reach us on the web at trafficticketattorneyinalabama.com. Thank you very much.